Forget your Qiwa password? Don't worry, you can now log into your Qiwa account just using Nafath mobile app. No password needed. Let me show you how. Open your browser, go to this website qiwa.sa. Once it's open, tap that icon, three dots. Once you tap it, tap this. Now switch to English. Once you switch, tap login with Nafath. Login with Nafath. Tap it. Now enter your Iqama number. Tap continue. Now go to Nafath and verify. Verify your face. Your verification was successful. Go back to that website. It will automatically take you to the website. Now choose your account type. For me, it's individual. If it's individual, click individual. You now log in successfully. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more Saudi tips. Thank you.